Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll look at the Lewis dot structure of neon. And to do so, we must know the total number of valence electrons, and that can be easily determined by looking at the periodic table. For example, lithium is in group 1a, so it will have one valence electron in its outermost shell. Those present in group 2a will have two valence electrons, and this rule follows up for group 1a, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a, 6a, 7a, and 8a. The transition metal here, that is the D block element, does not follow this rule. So here we have to draw the Lewis dot structure of neon, which is in group 8a and it is in P block. So it will have 8 valence electrons. Now the elements in this group are known as noble gas elements. So let us draw a Lewis structure of neon by putting 8 electrons around it. So this is the Lewis dot structure of neon, and for more such videos make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.